While it's true that just about every startup these days has a plan to incorporate machine learning, companies whose core business relies on machine intelligence simply face different problems than their other startup brethren. This series was created to share the stories we at Basis Set Ventures hear regularly from our portfolio founders about challenges unique to machine learning first startups. For this episode, Selling a Black Box, we'll be talking with Rasa, a company that gives developer and product teams the tools to build in-house conversational AI. It turns out that helping enterprises DIY conversational AI isn't the easiest thing to do, especially for companies without the research teams and processes in place to deal with such undertakings.
As the founder of a women's healthcare startup, Tia, that's focused on women's health and not building out a robust, super robust AI team internally, Rasa has been an amazing tool for us to very quickly expand our ability to answer a wide range of women's healthcare information needs in our Women's Health Advisor app. When we launched our product about 9 months ago, we were very quickly inundated with a whole range of questions that were outside of our core competency, and Rasa has been a tool that our core development team with very little expertise has been able to train our models and expand our understanding for users.
This means providing developers who may have never trained a model before the necessary background to be able to effectively train a black box. It also means helping cross-functional teams collaborate around data to build and train a conversational bot. Alex, the CEO of Rasa, had to take all of this into consideration when designing both the Rasa stack and the Rasa platform.
Our mission at Rasa is to simplify the world's interfaces. In our view, it's early in conversational AI. You can compare it to the web in the 90s, where few use cases worked. Many third-party APIs are too limiting and allow only for simple conversations. Building more sophisticated ones requires a lot of machine learning experts and researchers. At Rasa, we are leveling the playing field so that developers that need to ship in organizations can benefit from the latest breakthroughs in machine learning and our applied research. So far, we've shipped 2 products: the Rasa Stack as an open source toolkit that allows developers to expand bots beyond answering simple questions, and the Rasa Platform, our paid version where product teams work with each other to train neural nets faster. Within a year, we've managed to get to over 100,000 downloads for our open source, which shows the immense appetite for companies to take stuff like that in-house.
A lot of companies have been burned by early, brittle, tree-like bots. Making a sale meant convincing companies of the upside of investing in dialogue interfaces, and showing them that their own teams could pull it off. Alan, Rasa's CTO, made visualization and ease of testing a priority to reduce the time it would take companies to see results. The physical interface had to take the opaque black box of training and turn it into something anyone could contribute to.
So first I'm going to show how developers create an initial version of the AI, and then we're going to look at the Rasa platform and how that helps product owners and developers collaborate to improve its performance. So first I'm going to be the developer. So how to create an initial version of the AI? Well, we need to provide some training data. So this is what the format looks like. We have a bunch of sentences and they're annotated with the data that we want AI to be able to extract from those messages. Then what we do is we run the training script and we pass this data in. And this takes a few seconds, but then once the model is trained, we can push that directly to a production Rasa server. So now I'm going to be the product owner. What I'm looking at is the Rasa platform, and specifically the inbox that shows all the new messages encountered by the AI, and its best guess predicting what the data is that it should extract from those messages. So as a product owner, I can quickly mark these as being correct if they are so, or if I need to, I can fix anything that's been incorrectly predicted.
The takeaway here is that for Rasa, technical competence was only a piece in the greater puzzle to build a product people wanted to use. More than just the sum of engineering and business, the company had to be intentional about designing a product that took into account the necessary interdependencies between humans and conversational AI.